Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna tell you about DEJI batteries. So I got the battery and I didn't want to go to an Apple store to change my battery because it was almost 100 euros. And I found out about this battery for 40 euros. So it claimed that you can swap the batteries and don't get any message errors or non-genuine parts, nothing. So you would be having a phone with a genuine Apple battery, and this one, as you can see, it's a little bit larger. It's 4750 milliamps. So yeah, this is for an iPhone Pro Max. This is the old battery. So I extracted my old battery and placed the DEJI battery inside of the phone. I'm gonna put some B-roll on the screen. The experience. So I charged the battery. This is the first run. As you can see, maximum capacity 100%, peak performance, optimized battery charging, la la la. So the phone reacted to the battery and told me that I changed the battery and I needed to do a procedure to establish that my battery is new and it's a genuine one. And I was asked here, somewhere around here, to restart my phone. I did it manually, but it didn't accept that. It wanted to me to press the button because it entered another OS. It was like a dual boot of the security systems for Apple. And on that dual boot, it asked me for the Wi-Fi and everything. And the short story is the phone accepted the battery as a genuine Apple battery. This is the code of the battery. Um, Maybe you can find it cheaper. They say that it's decode. I didn't solder anything, so I just received the battery in this plastic. It had also the glue, yeah, the pull tabs, the glue uh, for the new battery, which I applied, and then just swapped the batteries, started the phone, and everything else. So yeah, I DIY'd the shit out of it. So I changed the battery. Uh, the larger capacity was I used the software and I found out that the phone charged the battery to 4800 and something. So the larger capacity, yeah, is larger because it fully charged to a bigger capacity than the older one, which is it doesn't say. Maybe you are watching this video because you wanted to know if the battery will be fine and if it worked. So this battery, it worked. It had a logo on it that said new technology. I bought that one. I found out that there are a lot of versions. The cheaper ones, you need to cut your BMS, so you need to unfold this plastic part. You need to take this BMS. This is the chip that controls the battery, and after you take it, you just put it on the top of the DEJI battery, connect it somewhere around here with a plug, and then some gimmicky PCB boards gonna do the stuff and recognize the battery as OEM. But yeah, I didn't want to hassle with the batteries. I know that if you poke them around, you can just burn instantaneously. So yeah, I avoided that. So this is the old battery. It had 83% battery life. It was really bad. So yeah, some tips if you want to change this for yourself. My phone was used for almost 3 years non-stop. So in the pockets, outside of the pocket, salt water, it was everywhere. So I wasn't able to pull the screen out, even if I was using a hot plate. I used my 3D printer. But now thinking about it, you can use a hair dryer to the maximum and just focus the blast on the bezels of the phone and you will get the same result. So no worries about that. But my phone was stuck because I put it everywhere and it was a lot of gunk. So I used this IPA plus. This was really helpful. Uh, Please keep in mind to have this to search for this red label because it is 99.8% purity. So you need this purity to use it with your phone, and even this purity is not so recommended to put on every PCB, and you need to be careful with this. I had this. I didn't buy it, but I had it because I do a lot of dumb stuff. I don't know what I do, but I do dumb stuff. So what I did, my mistake was I flooded the phone with this because I wasn't able to pull the tabs. I was able to pull the tabs on the top, but I didn't manage to pull the tabs on the bottom. My mistake by flooding this with isopropyl alcohol, I did also flood the camera system with IPA, and that managed to blur my cameras. I opened the phone, I dried it, I did everything, but still, after charging the phone one night, I still had some. It was like a fog, a mist. So there were still vapors of IPA, and I didn't change the seal of the phone, but the I don't know if the vapor will ever go, but let me test. Yeah, right now the camera works, but sometimes it's foggy. So yeah, maybe it will be gone. So take care of just using a syringe. Go to your pharmacy and buy a syringe and put little drops of IPA exactly where you need without puncturing the battery. Remember that you're gonna burn. You're gonna do some barbecue stuff if you're not careful. I got this toolkit. It was like $5 from my Craigslist equivalent. So yeah, I build this model. It's a 3D model. You can find it on MakerWorld. I bought some GSM screwdrivers and everything. Honestly, the only thing that I needed were those two: the suction cup and the guitar pick, which has almost 3 millimeters in depth. Let me see. Which has 3.3 millimeters. This is very helpful because you if you use this and this knob or the edge will hit your screen, you won't be able to break any flex cables. So this will be very helpful. But the thing that helped me, it was this. It's a IKEA screwdriver set. What is the screwdriver? This is it. It's a screwdriver set, and it was amazing. It had everything. It was really really inexpensive. I used only this. It's like a fan symbol and this small one. The, the screws for Apple. This is the name. This is the name for the IKEA part. It's like a screwdriver set. It was really helpful. So, hair dryer, suction cups, guitar pick, the new battery, APA if you won't be able to pull the tabs. If you don't want to use APA, you can still get a very very sharp tweezer. Not This is not sharp. This is not sharp at all. You need like a microscopic one, like this, sharper. Yeah. So, good luck to you. I will reveal some more information about the phone. I use the software. I'm gonna tell you about the software. It's amazing. I don't know why it's free. Maybe I got scammed, but yeah, it's amazing. This was my video. The process took too long, to be honest. I think it was 3 hours. So yeah, be careful and please remember, pull up the screws before you start pulling the screen because I did that. And remember to pull out the gunk from your lightning port. See ya.